My apologies for the pause. I forgot if I was going to do 3 or 5 randomizations for the other cards. Have to go back and look. It is 5 randomizations for these as well. So this is again for the Tokarski that just went. The next randomization is between the Devils and the Avalanche. This is for the Sakic Shanahan draft tandems from the Contenders 2010-2011. The awfully shiny card here. And so we will randomize this 5 times. Once and twice, 3, 4, 5. So this will go to Colorado. The next is for between Anaheim and the Washington Capitals for Sheer Peros. 1, 2, 3, and 5, and this is going to the Washington Capitals. The next is for Washington and Pittsburgh. This is between Brashear and Larocque. 1, 2, and 5, and this is to Washington. And we have 2 cards that are being randomed between Toronto and Detroit. The first one will be the Maloney Williams jersey cards. Maloney Williams jersey card. 5 for this. And 5. This goes to Toronto. And we'll do it 5 more times for the Probert Clark. This goes to Detroit. And we have one final randomization. This is between Montreal, Pittsburgh. This is for the Lemieux and Patrick Roy draft day tandems. And 1, 2, 3, and 5. This goes to Pittsburgh. Thanks again. We're going to be putting up a new break shortly, and hope to see you guys again. Thank you.